Hey, what's up guys? Coolguy here, and today I'm going to unveil a gaming computer build list. This will be a series here in the channel, so stay tuned. Enough said, let's begin the build. First off, we got AMD Athlon X4 860K processor. This is a quad-core processor clocked at 3.7 GHz, so this should be great for our gaming PC. To cool the CPU, we'll be using a Silverstone AR05 cooler. It's small enough to fit into the case and seems great for a $40 cooler. With our motherboard will be the ASRock FM2A88X-ITX Plus motherboard. With support for Kaveri APUs and several other great features, you can't beat this motherboard for a build. For memory, we will be using 8 GB of Kingston HyperX Fury memory, clocked at 1866 MHz and only around $63. This is the best bang for the buck memory I've seen so far. To hold our files, we will be using a 1TB Seagate Barracuda hard drive. For about $50, this is a great hard drive to put into our build. The GPU we will be using is a Sapphire Radeon R7 260X. This is a great GPU for less than $120, and don't underestimate this GPU because of its price. It's excellent and provides great performance for maybe high 1080p games. To hold all our stuff in place, we will be using a Cooler Master Elite 130 Mini ITX Tower case. This case is only Mini ITX, meaning the case will be real small, but still have room for our parts. To power our build, we will be using Corsair CX430. This PSU isn't modular, meaning you'll need to do some cable management, but the power supply has great wattage, it was great efficiency, and only less than $50 at the time of the recording. The optical drive for the build, we will be using a LG DVD/CD writer. For under $20, you can't beat this drive for use for installing an OS or playing/writing DVDs. Now, there will be other parts in the description, such as a motherboard and keyboard that I recommend. And yeah, I'll leave all the parts links in the description, and I will leave a link in the description for a build list on PCPartPicker.com. And you guys should leave a comment and like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, bye.